All right, guys, we're looking at Tesla stock right now. As you can see, we have some selling off pressure. Low of day is 226.4. Tesla's leaning towards that right now. Let's go back on the 5-day. It has broken out of this channel, which I showed on my short. So definitely I'll leave it in the short below so you can see it after the video. But this was a clear support level at 230. If Tesla cannot break 230, this stock is heading much lower. We're going to 200. Now you got to remember, we have earnings in about 12 days. So this is the 3-month, zooming it out. I'm going to bring up a little technical analysis for you so you can check it out. Be very careful trading this stock right now because this is the only area of support, which is in this 210 range all the way down to about 205. You can see zooming in right here. This is where your consolidation is. Resistance fails, breaks through, support back at the 207 mark, all the way up to 250. And now we entered that channel that I was huge drawdown right here. Entered this channel, was trading in it. And now we are heading lower, which is beautiful. This is excellent. I want to take a long-term position on, not long-term, I want to take a swing trade. But look at Tesla within this range. It is trading. I'm going to get rid of this support line just for newer traders. You can see from 414 down to 101, Tesla is trading in this channel right here. So we just have to be careful. We have to make sure that we're not buying too early. I think long-term perspective on Tesla, we're going to be fine. But you have to look out for this entire channel right here. Look at this. To about there. This is where Tesla's range is, as you can see. But if you even look a little bit closer, you can get a smaller term channel, which is here to about here, right around this range. So just right here and here. So we have to be careful. We have to see where this is going to go. But like I said before, just keep in mind around 200 to 210 is your area of actual consolidation, which is right here. And as I'm making this marker, look on the right side of the screen, the 199, the 200. This whole area right here is your support. So if Tesla continues to draw back down, we have earnings in 12 days. If Tesla sells, where do you think it's going? This is not rocket science. It's going to sell off and it's going to hit this support line. And this is where I'm going to start buying. So we're at 227 right now. Hopefully we keep getting red. I want to get Tesla even lower. This is good for us. We want it to sell off in this range down to that 200. And what is that percentage loss right there? Let's take a quick look. Tesla pulling back, which would be beautiful. This is what we want. Down to 200 is going to be another 10 to 12%. That's what we need. We need that 12% drawdown. Hit some support around 215, start dollar cost averaging in around 205, 215, and now we can make a nice move back up. But right now, if you look at Tesla overall, it is bearish. All it's done has been selling off. Ever since 2021, it hit that high, and it's slowly coming back down. Don't expect Tesla to be blasting up unless we get some good earnings. And it has to beat expectations here. But right now, there's a lot of downside pressure. It's been trading in this channel. And if you look at this channel, the high is basically, we'll just say 300, down all the way to about 194. So anything under 200 for me, I'm going to be buying. I think that's a steal. I think we can swing trade this and get a nice maybe 5, 10, 15 points out of it back to 230. Because 230 is going to be your resistance zone. And the reason I say that is focus on this part. Very simple analysis here. We're going to hit the rectangle. Here's your 230 right here. This area is resistance. Click again, rectangle right here. We have resistance right here. And then where do you think we had the supports coming in? This whole area right here. So what we need is we need a nice pullback. And that's basically down to that 200 area, blast back up to 230. Let's take some profit there. But let's just be patient. I think we have more red days coming for Tesla, and that's what we want. We want to be patient. If we're going to be long here, we see the trend. Look how strong these red volume candles are. We don't want to, overstay our welcome here. Have to be very careful here. We definitely have some downside pressure here. So if you're trading Tesla, be patient. If you're long, if you're short, look for pops and short the pops every single time. As you can see, you had some consolidation support. This is around that 230 to 235 area. I expect Tesla, if it bounces, to go to 233, and then I assume it's going to fail from there, and we're going to make that nice trend move back, and that's what we're looking for. If we can get that move, that's going to be beautiful. Anywhere from 233 to 230, all the way down to 205. If you're short, you're looking for 12% pullback. So that's why I just want to show you Tesla. Always want to keep an eye on this. My favorite stock to trade. It loves to move. It loves to give points, especially as a day trader, whether it's options or shares. So stay tuned. We're going to keep following this. We're going to trade this live earnings, and subscribe to the channel if you feel like you learned something. Always follow me. I'm always posting videos, and check out the channel.